Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. Now in this section we have the radical equation, then we have to find the possible values of x. So let's quickly get into that. So we have square root of 2x minus 4 minus square root of s plus 5 being equal to 1. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to send one of the root to the other side. So I have 2x minus 4, right, being equal to 1. It becomes plus square root of s plus 5 in this case. Now to get rid of the square root, what do I have to do? Just square both sides. So squaring both sides, I square both sides here. This gets rid of that, and I have 2s minus 4 here being equal to, now it will be this multiplied by that, right? So I have 2x here minus 4 here being equal to, now let's expand this. This is going to be 1, this times that is just going to mean the root of s plus 5, and then this times that also gives me the same. So I have 2 roots s plus 5 for both of them, and then the last one is just this times that, which is just a square of that. So I'm just left with s plus 5 in this case. Good. Now let's group like terms. So 2x here, this moves to the other side, becomes minus x. We have minus 4, this moves to the negative 1. We have positive 5 here, becomes negative 5. So I have 2 roots s plus 5, and what I'm left with is just s minus, we have negative 5, so we have negative 10 being equal to 2 roots s plus 5. Now what I can do next is then to go ahead and then square both sides. So I have x minus 10 here, and then I have being equal to 2 s plus 5. So I'll just square both sides. When I square both sides, I have s squared minus 20 x here plus 100 in this case. So when I square this place, remember this goes to square, so it becomes 4, and then square root gets rid of that, so I'm left with s plus 5 in this case. So I have s squared. Group like terms again. So but first let's expand that. So expanding this, we have 4s plus 20. So grouping like terms, minus 20x. Remember we have minus 4x in this case, so it becomes minus 4x here, and then we have just 100 minus 20 here being equal to 0. So I have s squared minus 60x here, then positive 80 equal to 0. Remember with this quadratic equation, I have to get two numbers. When I multiply, I should get so remember this is 24, sorry, this minus 20 and minus 4, 24. Two numbers, when I multiply I should get 80. When I add these numbers I should get negative 24, and that is just going to be 20 and then 4, right? So just negative both of them, and I'm going to get that. So I have negative 20x and then negative 4s plus 80 being equal to 0, right? So I can just factorize s out. I have x minus 20 for the first part. Now for the second part, just factorize minus 4 out. I have s minus 20 here also being equal to 0. So what is outside here is s minus 4, and then what is inside there is s minus 20 being equal to 0, right? So in this case, what I do next is that I have s minus 4 equal to 0, x will be equal to 4, s minus 20 being equal to 0, x here is equal to 20, so therefore I have s equal to 4 or 20. But then I have to know which values of s will actually be equal to 1. So let's test that. So for the first testing, if x is equal to 4, then which means that this becomes 2 multiplied by 4 minus 4 minus 4 plus 5. So this gives me 4 times 2 gives me 8, and then I have 8 minus 4 gives me 4 here. So I have 4 here, and then minus square root of 9, which gives me just 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1. So remember, it does not correspond to the one we add. It's not equal to 1. So which means that what we have to do is now use the second one. If x is equal to 20, when x is equal to 20, then becomes 2 minus 20, which is 40 minus 4, becomes 16 for the first part, and then the second part becomes just 20 plus 5, which is 25. So remember, it is 20 minus 2 minus 20, 40. 40 minus 4 is 36, and it is 25. So I'm just going to have 6 minus 5 in this case, which is just equal to 1. So therefore s equal to 20 satisfies the equation, right? So s is basically equal to 20 in this case, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.